Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be continuing cleaning up the bus by removing parts of the interior and cleaning them up. I'm going to start on the camping interior, so let's get started. So the first thing I removed was the jump seat. It wasn't bolted down to the floor for some reason, so it just slid out really easily. So that's why I picked this to do first. The covers are buttoned on, so they should come off really easily, and I can wash them down and clean them up pretty well. So let's get started on that. So I did get the cover off. Unfortunately, one of the snaps did pull out of the vinyl, but I should be able to fix that pretty easily. So now I'm going to start cleaning the top part, and then I'm going to remove the bottom part and clean that one too. You can see that did clean it up pretty well, but now I'm going to use some dish soap and actually just try to get some of that grime off a little bit more. And if I have to, I'll use something a little more powerful than that. I have no idea what that stuff was, but it came off really easily, so I'm glad about that. So this is how that turned out. I think it came out really well. I'm gonna let this dry in the sun because the backing is really wet, even though the vinyl's not, and go on to the bottom part of the seat. The bottom also uses snaps to remove the cover, so it's the same process as the top. I'm going to do the exact same cleaning method on the bottom as well. Now I'm going to clean up the base of the jump seat. This time I'm just going to use the sponge and not use the hose. I might have to use the hose on this though. Well, I kind of failed about not getting it wet, but at least I kind of cleaned the vents that aren't supposed to be there. So here's the seat all cleaned up. It looks much better now without all that grime. It is still a bit dirty around the back because I couldn't figure out how to clean that stuff off of the wood. But other than that, it's really clean. Now I'm going to clean the closet. I'm not going to remove it, so I'm just going to clean it while it's inside of the bus still. In a previous video, I said I was going to try and use a pressure washer to clean the bus up more. So right now, I'm going to try that. Now I'm going to try it on a side I haven't even used the hose on. You can see I've just pressure washed the top, and the before and after is fantastic. I'm going to pressure wash the whole top now and get rid of all that stuff on it so it looks nicer. So here's the bus after my buddy and I cleaned it up. I think it looks much better, especially the pop top. Most of the grime has been removed from the exterior, and overall, I think the appearance is much better. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to see more classic VW content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.